Wonder shall never end, my people. Now everybody they go extra mile to blackmail people anyhow. This one don't come out. He name na Femi Branch, na the Nigerian actor. I sure say many of una know am because they very popular. Like they do bad things for me. My brother, na joke and joke. You know say na your career na they push out for you. My people, you don't come outside no. When they call on police. Nigeria police say they need to take this matter very serious. I don't know how many of you even know this hotel, Pavilion Hotel, where they for Ayepe, una know na there the matter happen. And I dey sure say many other hotels they like that. But no worry, make we focus on this one. My people, they find different cameras inside each room for that hotel. Inside the room, oh, no be outside, no be passage. Inside each room, they plant cameras. They remove cameras for AC. They remove. No be small matter. Hey, you don't come outside now. Say this thing. Say na crime. Na serious crime. So they need arrest from the manager, the owner, operators of the hotel. Anybody when no say they involved for this hotel, they say they go come arrest them. So I beg for now we no know who be Femi Branch. I don't bring on a side. So join me. Make we watch the video.
Guys, you need to be vigilant. You need to be vigilant. You see, this camera in the hotel thing, where all of us just laugh. It's not a funny matter. It's not a funny matter. Forget about even, I mean, what will make somebody put a camera in a hotel? What's the motive? That's my own. What's the motive? I'm calling on the Nigerian police force to arrest the owner, the weather manager, or all the operators of Pavilion Hotel and Suites in Ayepe to do a thorough investigation concerning all the guests that have lodged in that place, to find out whether after leaving that hotel, any of them got robbed or got murdered or got kidnapped or anything like that. Because when in your room, you are making phone calls, you are disclosing confidential information. If you have money with you, you might have the money spread around the room or something like that. You know, these people could have gotten all manner of information from these cameras in bedrooms. Forget about whether they saw you sleeping with your girlfriend or saw you sleeping with your wife or saw your nakedness or saw your wife's naked. That is trivial. Be vigilant, guys. Search. I dey fear now to even go lodge for hotel. And our work. Now social hotel. Eh?
This is the 5th camera in the room. Sure you can see.
Camera in our rooms.
Yes.
You're putting camera in our rooms, right?
Yes.
Infringing on people's privacy. See people's nakedness. Video in my law Insta blog. Video in my law Insta blog. You're putting cameras in the people's room, right? What the fuck name is the hotel?
Me. If you open your mouth now, tell me say this guy talk nonsense, I go just strangle you. Something they work with now. Anybody will tell me say this guy talk nonsense. Something they worry you straight. Wetin camera they find inside person room? No, make we start from this question. Wetin camera they find for inside person room? Wetin be their plan? Wetin be their motive? This world, Hey, Chineke. No be only sleep people they go do for hotel. Some people they go for business. Some people they go, you understand? Different reasons. Everybody get their different reasons. So they need privacy. You fit go with your boyfriend, I be husband and wife, fit go. The day when I no fit like to sleep in the house. You fit go based on you want to relax. And inside that hotel room, confidential calls will happen. You fit count your money. Maybe you just do one deal. Maybe now dollars. You fit put your money for bed, they count them. All down on camera, they watch. You and your person, they understand. Go down, camera, they watch. Your woman don't come outside from a shower. She don't go bath. Camera don't watch. I beg. This thing a serious crime. I don't care how una they see am, but me, I don't talk am. If you know say you go hotel, where they attack you after that hotel, I beg, go back, check the hotel rooms. Because now the only way be this way they feel no. No, now imagine you come out from hotel room. How they know say you get money where they come attack you? Start a report. Anytime when you come out for hotel, you notice something different. Whether they blackmail you, person call you, say this one. Check the hotel, report the case. Very, very important. No wonder. People come they wonder, say, how they go say, may they no carry money, may they no do this one. Many people just they talk many things. Now we define the whole thing. Now the matter they come outside. If you enter hotel, una say as I dey hold my ear, check all the corners because now they put those micro camera, those ones where you no go easily see am. They put am everywhere. Check am. Else tomorrow you go just wake up, find your nude pictures all over internet. You go dey wonder say which boyfriend heart you don't break, where you don't post. No be boyfriend. Some people just deliberately sit down, say they plan wickedness. So una suppose they alert, make una eye open. Imagine, even inside AC. See how they even hide them. Una watch am. They even hide the thing inside AC. How you go imagine say this thing fit inside AC? No, na question. For una to see they even they ask the manager for the video say, so you wanna put camera inside the room? He say yes. Chai. I beg, make them lock that hotel. Whether na sue the hotel or lock the hotel, anyone who una know say una want do am. You understand? We don't need cameras for inside hotel room. We don't need them. If we want go where they go watch us, we go hostel. We don't need them. At least if you want put a camera for hotel, the passage or front of the door, so that you go know who they enter, who they come out in case of anything. Or entrance of the like that they do. I never see where they put. My people, I beg, these people they get mission. They get mission. They get one where I even see. Una no go believe they even put the camera inside what did they call that thing? Smoke detector. Detector. Now they put camera. So you no go even see, your mind no go even go there. Your mind no go there. Now like that they do. So una need wake up. I beg, I dey beg una. Now why I bring this case? You understand? Because it is very important. And I beg again, for una we no say this particular hotel, Pavilion Hotel, Ayepe. Una we no say una don't visit that place maybe once or twice when una go relax or something. I beg. Think again. If you feel join for this report when we don't start, go join and give your own testimony. May they know. You understand? Some people they go through things. Some people they go through serious things. And now this guy don't talk say you no go hotel again. Una no know wetin una dey do, but una dey spoil una own business by una self. Because now nobody go gree on your hotel. Who lose? Now you, me, I dey here and I dey work. You no concern me. My people, now the matter be this and I know say una enjoy am, but not just enjoy am alone. I bet share this video, not be just for enjoyment sake, but for security purpose. You understand? You get many people wey no know this thing. Now why una need share am so that it go far, we go save life, we go protect ourselves. You understand? Yes, and not forget drop that comment. It is very important between you and I. Yes, I love you guys. See you later.